So I'm at apple.com/UK/App Store. I'm at the App Store. Click on App Store. Here I am. How the hell do I sign in and decide what apps I want to install on my iPad? I mean, there's like pages and pages and pages of crap here, and nothing, no place to log in, and no place to browse apps. I mean, this is the App Store, right? Click on App Store. Here we are. The apps you love from a place you can trust. Click on App Store. No, nothing there. How do I get to the apps? How do I get to the App Store? All it's telling me is about stuff about it, designed for this and curated by this and this many apps, and explore this and do this. But where can I do it? I mean, what the hell? I don't want events. I want the actual apps. Discover amazing apps. Right? Click on that. Discover amazing apps, rich experience. I want to get to the apps that you're talking about, mate. It says there, discover amazing apps. How? I mean, really, this is meant to be everything works with Apple. You know, it's like it just works, doesn't it? Well, it just fucking doesn't. I mean, what the hell is up with this? Apps can't pull from your data from apps. Yeah, okay, whatever. What apps can't do that? Like, where are they? About the App Store, developing for App Store. App Store. I mean, really, people, come on. What is with this? Very, 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 very bad design.